right, put it in the piggy bank.
Gotta go sideways, Kate. Oh, that's gonna help her.
I know.
Can I?
Did she get it?
Pink.
Can't put it in, Kate. Put it in.
Can I?
Yeah. No, she still has it.
Can I see a pic of me jumping on my bed?
No. Put it in the piggy
Here,
bank.
Put it in here.
Can I make a
Come here, push it in.
No, what the movie? Oh no, can't. Oh no, I don't think I want to make a movie.
Hold on, we will. We're gonna let her try to put this back in the bank. Other way. Look at the coin and look at the slot. Okay. Yay!
High five. High five.
Yeah.
All right, wild man. Make a movie of you now. Here we go.
Cheese. What did I do?
Careful, Jack.
Bye.
Jack, watch your sister. Her diaper.
Whoa!
What did you do?
His leg just shot out from under him.
Careful, please. Abajo. What's up? Tell the camera. What's down? How do you say hello? Hi. Hola.
All right, guys, let's go take a bath.
Whoa. Hop, Kate, hop. What do you want to do? Shark? Shark, you better tell me, otherwise you're going to pick. Which ones? Shark. Okay, sharks. All right. The hottest ones.
Kate, let's go, Kate.
Come on, Kate, go. Run. Oh, you got a saggy diaper.
Come in my room. No.